Here is Infiniti QX60. Let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Infiniti emblem, put one finger there and push it left. If you're not able to push left, push down on the hood first a little bit, then push left and lift up the hood. This hood stays in place, being supported by the two hood struts right over there. Now when you work on the passenger side, just be careful. There's a lot of hot stuff over here, so only do this job when the car's been sitting for a few hours and the engine's cold. There's electric fan over there too, so be careful. Now that's the passenger side bulb right over there. The way to access it is you'll be looking at it from over here, and you'll be putting your hand in from the other side, right over there. So this is how you'll be coordinating your hand-eye movements. Get your hand inside over there, grab the bulb holder, and then twist it left just a little bit to loosen it. And that's it. Now it's loose and comes out. Just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. As you can see, I can get my hand all the way in there, and then with just one hand I can pull the bulb out. The bulb size is 7444 NA. Again, 7444 NA. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and simply push it down back into the bulb holder. And now when you put it back in, this is what you have to focus on. You see those two ridges? The first ridge is unlocked, and now you twist your right, and now it's lined up with the locked one. That's it. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process. You can either look from over there at an angle or from this model viewport, just like the passenger side. Same process, no differences whatsoever. You can get your hand in there, just twist the bulb holder left, out it comes. It's just as accessible. So I can see I can get my hand in there, get the bulb out right there. Same bulb, 7444 NA as the passenger side. Put it back in, make sure it drops in, and then twist your right to lock it, and you are done. That's good. To close the hood, simply grab it, lower it, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.